Craft your imagination.
Join me as we make a cute bee friend to keep you company. You will need yellow paper, black paper, white paper, googly eyes, and a glue stick. Take a yellow color sheet of paper that is rectangle. Cut 2 strips of the same size from the black paper. Using your glue stick, stick the back strips on the yellow square. Cut off the excess strips with the help of scissors. Next, apply glue on its corner and fold it into a round tube. Cut a circle out of the yellow paper to make the bee's face. Take the 2 googly eyes and stick those eyes on your bee friend's face with the help of some glue. With a black marker, give them a smile. Take 2 small strips of black color sheet to make the bee's antenna. Round it slightly from the front and then stick it to the bee's head. Using glue, stick its face on the bee's body. Take the white sheet and cut it to make the wings of the bee. Now, place the wings behind its body. Your cute paper bee friend is ready.